Hello all, I'm back. It's 6 o'clock and we have a spunky little thing who's going to be joining us. She's not a little thing, but well, little things. Who does it remind you of? Mithila Palkar, and she's going to be joining us in just a minute. And I just want to tell you that you're on the Good Times Instathon celebrating the 50th Earth, 50 years of Earth Day, and you're looking forward to 50 more ahead, more years where we respect our planet, we vote for Earth, don't stress it out, and well, generally be good to it. Because good things will happen to us if we are good to Mother Earth.
Hey,
Hello. How are you?
hello. I'm very good. How are you?
चल रहा है यार ये तो भैया लॉकडाउन सेल्फ आइसोलेशन ने बस है ना कभी खुद पे कभी हालात पे रोना आया
What do you do? I mean, so far okay. Obviously, I have my days of same things. Okay, chalo ab now enough. Have to get out of this, but unfortunately, it's not in our control. So we'll make most of whatever is in our control. So I just in fact finished Kathak class, which is why I'm like on.
looking now your curls are lovely
Oh, thank you.
but you've been pretty busy. Yeah, I saw you the other day playing an instrument, then you were dancing your Super Bowl, so you've been like pretty busy.
Yeah, I am the kind of person, if I don't do anything, I will shoot myself. That's I mean, obviously an exaggeration, but basically I'm a very restless person. I can't sit in one place quietly for too long. Like even when I'm shooting for too many days and I'll crave for like, that one off day. But after that one off day, I'm done with chutti. I can't deal with holidays too much. Like I can't deal with off time too much. So even when I'm at home, now that we have nothing else to do, I try and keep myself busy and try to do as many things. So I've gotten back to my Kathak actually after 3 years. So it feels really refreshing to be able to do that.
Well, honestly, as you said, you're a restless soul, and I so get that because I can't sit in one place for more than, say, 5 minutes because then again I
Yeah.
have to do something. So, how are you keeping yourself busy? What are the things, how are you making peace with the situation that we are in, which is going to be the new normal for a whole lot of people
For a
in the
while,
coming
yeah.
days?
I
Yeah, for a
think
while.
I mean, I'm with my grandparents, so that helps because when I'm working, I barely get any time with them. So I get to like sit with them during tea time and like just chat with them, and it helps to just be around with them. They really enjoy that, the fact that we're all in the house together at the same time. And this is probably the longest time I've been at home for a while, like at a stretch. So they are really enjoying the fact that they're getting my company because they know that once things open up, things go back to normal, they'll barely get to see me because there are times when I leave before they wake up and I come back after they're asleep. So that I'm making most of. Then obviously getting to eat all amazing food that I'm learning how to cook from my grandmother, and. What else? I'm learning Kathak. I'm working out every day. I try to learn songs on the instrument. I sing. I listen to music. I watch stuff. I try and like I'm catching up on things that I couldn't have in the past. So yeah,
You're an
I'm like I said, like I'm keeping myself as busy as possible. I do have days where I'm just like, okay, I don't want to do anything, and I also embrace those days that I'm just like on the bed staring at the fan, and that's okay too. So, but that doesn't last for too long. That's all.
amazing actor, singer, dancer, Kathak, now a cook also. What is that one thing that Mithila can't do?
Yeah, right.
I am sure very soon we'll see you writing a story that will be turned into a series.
I wish I could write, Pooja. I really wish because I sometimes I like that's one thing that I really because it's just important to um, just have an outlet to your thoughts. And how much can you talk? I love to talk, but how much can you talk? And how many people?
One can
How,
talk endlessly, yeah. And now,
I mean,
can you imagine it's talking that's keeping us all entertained now?
it's actually true. I can talk endlessly, but sometimes, when you're by yourself and you just want to, you need an outlet. So sometimes it's just nice to be able to articulate your thoughts well.
So somebody's written love your dance videos. Somebody's written love your performances.
Thank
देखो
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
और किसी ने ये भी पूछा भी लिटिल थिंग्स का नेक्स्ट सीजन कब आएगा?
यार पहले मुझे कोई बता दो हम यहाँ से बाहर कब निकल पाएंगे, फिर मैं सारे जवाब आपको दूंगी.
But Little Things has a cult following,
It
Did you
does.
ever imagine when you and Dhruv shot for the first one that this is going to become one? I mean, everyone swears by Little Things.
No, we didn't, yeah, because the way it started was it's a fun story that I always love telling. That we first did two videos called "Confusing Things Girlfriends Say" and "Annoying Things Boyfriends Do," which went viral. And the way those were also happened is that Dhruv co-wrote both those sketches with Karthik Krishnan, another one of the writers at Filter Copy. And then we couldn't find a guy to like in time to be my boyfriend. So Dhruv also acts, or like back now, obviously everybody knows he acts, but like back then, not too many people knew about that, but he was interested in acting. So people at Filter Copy said, why don't you just play the boyfriend part? And he hopped on board, and that's how it happened, and people lapped us up. So that was the first most unexpected thing, that we didn't know that people will like us so much on screen together. And then Ashwin, who is one of the co-founders of Pocket Aces that runs Filter Copy, he went up to Dhruv and said, people like to watch you two together, so why don't we do something that will have you on screen for a longer duration of time instead of just doing sketches. And that's how he made Dhruv write Little Things. That's where it stemmed out of. So that's how organic the show, organically it happened. So obviously we were not thinking that it will like blow up as much as it did. And when the first season came out, people liked it. And then the second season released as a Netflix original, and those numbers are just beyond me. पहले ही मैथ आती नहीं है और पसंद भी नहीं है, तो मैं कैलकुलेट भी नहीं करूंगी. लेकिन when you are told कि at once it's up on Netflix, it's going to be available for 170 million subscribers of Netflix at the same time across the globe, and it's extremely gratifying. When I remember early this year, when we could travel, I was in Kochi for my play, and at the airport there was a French girl who came up to me and said, "Aren't you the girl from Little Things? I watched the show in Paris."
Wow.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's really, so that is something that is unfathomable for us. यहाँ बैठ के वो पता नहीं चलता है कि कहाँ तक like how far we can actually reach and to how many people. And it's extremely humbling, extremely gratifying. Like, we are extremely grateful for the kind of love that people give us. And every time a new season comes, Dhruv and I are always like, we are texting each other because it's literally like our baby. When the show started, we were 7-8 people working on the show, including Dhruv and I. So it started with that home, that little like humble home of ours, and now it's like so many people love the show, and this quarantine in a way has worked in our favor because a lot of people have caught up on the show, or a lot of people have newly watched it, or a lot of people are doing reruns. So both Dhruv and I have been getting a lot of messages saying that I just watched Little Things, I just finished Little Things, I just started watching it and finished it in one night, like those kind of things. So yeah, it's a show that keeps giving, I always say that.
बस franchise बन जाएगा Little Things season 1, season 2, season 3. उसके बाद what they did next, what happened next.
I know.
You were also shooting for.
मतलब मजेदार मजेदार बात ये है कि लोग हमें लिख के भी देते भेजते हैं कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है ऐसे होना चाहिए.
Yeah,
That's
actually,
very sweet.
you could actually now include, or maybe you can also do a virtual little things you and Dhruv यार social distancing के time में देखो मैंने भी idea दे दिया आपको.
No, but also that's the sweet part, right? Because Little Things is a show that is not like it's fiction, but yet it is like it's a story of a couple. So it can go either way. Matlab, any permutation and combination will work. So even like you and I as an audience can also sit and think maybe this can happen in their relationship.
True, this is true. And you were also shooting for Tribhanga with Kajol and Tanvi Azmi. Tell us a bit about that. Renuka Shahane.
Oh, that was so much fun, so much fun. So, Renuka Tai, I know her since 2014 and 13 actually, 2013. And I've always been fond of her. And in 2013, I got to know her personally because I was working on a theatre festival called HESCO and she was judging it that year. So I got to know her closely. We're both Dadar girls, so we have that connect. And in fact, her mum lives very close to where I live, so where my grandparents live.
Mm-hmm.
So you know, like we had that kind of a connection, and I absolutely love the way she writes and like the things she speaks about, and the way she speaks about them, the kind of stance that she takes, and I've always been in awe of her. So one day she just called me and said that, you know, I have this script that I have written and I would like to narrate it to you. It was such a big honor because so far whatever I've done has been like your regular audition processes, like you get called by a casting director, go audition. This time the writer and the writer director wanted to sit with me, narrate the entire story, wanted me to take my time to decide if I wanted to do it or not. And so that was a privilege, I think, and I'm extremely grateful to Renuka Dai for that. And then, so that happened, and then finally we went on floors last year. And I was extremely nervous because most of my scenes are with Kajol, not with Tanvi ma'am, not too many with Tanvi ma'am. Obviously, we met on the days that we were shooting together, and they are a riot to work with. Like, there is not a day or a minute that I remember that has gone, if we are not shooting, that has gone without us just laughing, all of us on set, because they are a riot together and individually also. And obviously with Kajol, I have grown up watching her.
डर नहीं लगा
And
बहुतों को डर लगता है उनको मिलकर
हाँ,
बहुत लोग डर भी जाते हैं उनको मिलकर
काफी, I mean, डर क्यों जाते हैं पता नहीं. I felt intimidated because I mean, I've grown up watching her. I've grown up watching her on screen, and to know that I'm sharing screen space with her was a little intimidating, and not because she made me do it or she made me feel intimidated. It's just her presence, because you know when you grow up watching someone, you're suddenly now next to them. Similar thing happened with me with Irfan sir, but Kajol even more so because I'm a 90s kid and she has literally like ruled the 90s and the early 2000s. So, so you're just like, you know, like how do you do this? And I remember the first two times that we met, I couldn't speak to her. And the minute we went on set and we started shooting, it was all, it just, the ice just didn't take time to break, and we have had so much fun. And she's a lot of fun. Yeah, like I can't explain it, but her energy is just infectious. It's very, very infectious.
and she says things the way they are. She doesn't mince words.
And she doesn't think what she is who she is. She's unapologetically she is who she is. Like, and she's lovely. She's amazing. Like, it's a lot of fun to just be around her and just even observe her for that matter. But like observe her even for her work. Like, camera is on and she is on. Like, she can quit. If there is it was like, it was magical because off camera, just before the take happened, she is laughing about something. Immediately as the take starts, we had to do like a serious scene, an emotional scene, and she switched. I was like, how is this happening? Like it was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun.
Awesome. Also, today being Earth Day, it's Earth Day. Any lifestyle change that you have made, or a pledge, or any changes that you made in your own life for the planet?
Wow. I feel like I think it, in a sense that uh, this time that we're living in a lockdown, I think it's a blessing in disguise for a lot of other things, especially the climate and especially planet Earth, because we are not driving, we are not um, using ACs or anything anymore because we've been told to not, like anything cold we should keep away from it. And something that my grandparents in this house have adopted, and I have invariably then adopted, that we don't have an AC in this house. It's a very old house, and they put their foot down and said there is no need to add more stress on the planet, and it's very unnecessary. We have that is the reason the old houses were built the way they were, because we have a lot of ventilation, there is cross ventilation, there are windows outside, there's an open balcony. So my grandmother is like, if you feel so hot, just open the doors and the windows. You don't need to add another machine in your house. So that's something that I have invariably adopted. There are days when I feel like should should have had. So I think it's a blessing in disguise, like these kind of things that you get to learn. Because we think that, oh my God, car is such a necessity. I walk a lot, by the way, and I still walk. Of course, I do have a car, but I walk a lot because I love to walk, and I feel like it's unnecessary to use a car just for, like, especially when you just have to walk for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. But I am that crazy person who has walked from like Wilson College to Hanging Garden and to Grant Road, and like I love it. I love it. So I walk a lot. There was a time when I was considering getting a bike to cycle around. But the thing is that, especially when you're going for interviews or you're going for meetings, you can't be all sweaty and dirty and like enter a meeting. That's quite unprofessional. So that's the only reason I don't bike. But there was a time when I was contemplating getting a bike also. So these are kind of like choto things that I am trying to do and adapt to.
Small steps go a bit long way, yeah?
Huh?
So I said small steps go a long way.
Yes,
I mean,
yes, of course. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I think planet Earth, since it's Earth's day, I think today Earth must be blessing us the most, because things are finally like, they're like, okay, she must be like, okay, you're finally letting me relax. Like, I can now breathe. And I can finally get some air for myself. So it must be one of those. I think we should just be grateful for these small mercies.
True. So somebody said hello from the Philippines. And
hi!
So a lot of people also say that you have a relatability factor. So that's why they can relate to you. So what's your secret?
I don't know, yeah, Pooja. Like, it's a very sweet thing that they keep saying, and I feel like the thing is that, and I've always said this, that the way I started my journey also was very organic. So they have known me since, a lot of people have, whoever has followed my work has known me since that birth to now. So, and not much has changed for me. Like, I am who I am. And again, like, unapologetically who I am. This is where I come from. This is how I am. This is how I dress. And I think the minute I start doing things differently or force myself to do things differently, then even the audience will catch it, and I won't feel at home. So I'm glad that the audience has accepted me for who I am, more, which is the most important thing for me. So I don't think there's any secret. It's just that I don't know any better. Let's just say that this is who I am.
और किसी ने ये भी पूछा क्वारंटाइन के बाद डेट पे चलोगी?
यार मेरे दोस्त, पहले क्वारंटाइन खत्म करो, उसका जवाब मुझे पहले दो, कब होने वाला है, फिर हम सोचेंगे.
और बहुत लोग पूछ रहे हैं गाना गाओगे, कप सॉन्ग गा दो, बहुत लोग रिक्वेस्ट करें गाने के लिए.
कप सॉन्ग कप नहीं है, लेकिन आई कैन सिंग 2 lines of a song that I've been humming for a few days. Every day there is a new song in my head. But
आजकल कौन सा चल रहा है?
आजकल चल रहा है ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में, ये बाहों में बाहें, ये उलझी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा, ये रातें ये मौसम देखा किनारा, चंचल कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलके कभी हम न के जुदा, ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा, चंचल हवा.
Wow, wow, wow. It's my personal favorite too. And you remind me a bit of my favorite singer, Geeta Das.
Geeta Dutt is your favorite singer?
Yeah, love
Yeah,
her.
I think she has a spunk to her.
I know. There was something very nice about her voice. कोई प्लान
Yeah,
नहीं है एल्बम निकालने
there are a
का?
lot of, but although I think this is sung by Asha ji.
Asha, yeah, it's by Asha Bhosle.
This is Kishore. This is a Kishore and Asha song. But Geeta has had a
Become
spunk
that
to her.
page.
Oh,
That's what I meant. You remind me of Geeta.
that is a huge compliment. I like her. I think, like I said, she has a lot of the fun songs with her. ए दिल मुझे बता दे ये किस पे तू किस पे आ गया है, कौन है जो आकर ख्वाबों पे छा गया है. That was one song. And there is a song from this film called 12 O'Clock, which probably not too many people know also about it. It was like, I think it has Wahida Rahman and Dutt, if I'm not wrong.
Guru
I'm
Dutt,
not,
12 o'clock, yes?
yeah, that's correct. Okay. So it has them, and that song goes, it's like a waltz song. तुम जो हुए मेरे हम सफर रस्ते बदल गए, लाखों दिए मेरे प्यार की राहों में जल गए.
Awesome. कोई प्लान नहीं है अपना एल्बम काटने का या प्लेबैक करने का?
यार नहीं, अभी तक तो नहीं, पर मुझे गाना बहुत पसंद है. इतना मैंने प्लेबैक किया नहीं है. अगर किसी के लिए करूंगी तो अपने लिए करना पसंद करूंगी, बिकॉज अदर एक्ट्रेसेस डिजर्व बेटर प्लेबैक.
ऐसा.
but it'll be fun. I have sung for Muramba and a song for Karwa, etc. But ऐसे मैंने सोचा नहीं है कि मैं परस्यू करूंगी. But if somebody insists and helps me and teaches me, I don't mind.
Thank you so much. So other than dancing, singing, कथक वथक कुछ watch भी कर रहे हो, कुछ like relax करके recommendations दे दो.
जी, so 2 of my favorite shows that I go back to, कि अगर अरे मेरे साथ कभी कभी क्या होता है कि मैं बहुत कुछ देख लेती हूँ, कि ये देखूँ वो देखूँ, ऐसे लिस्ट मेरी होती है, either Hotstar, Prime, ये वो, Netflix. And then when I'm just like, okay, there are too many options, I can't pick, I go back to Friends or I go back to Modern Family.
Awesome.
But I just finished watching Killing Eve, and I think my crush on Phoebe Waller-Bridge just rekindled a little bit, or a lot. Because I watched her Fleabag and I know that she won a lot more awards for Killing Eve, so I was very curious to know. She's written the show, and Jodie Comer and Sandra Oh are they're just amazing, and I enjoyed it. There are 2 seasons, guys. If you are keen on watching, it's a story about an assassin and a spy, and it's just amazing. Go watch it.
Awesome. And thank you so much. Stay safe. Hope to see you in person soon. जल्दी खत्म हो.
Yes, I know. You be safe too.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Mithila. Lots of love.
Thank you. To you too.
Bye.
Bye.